Wyoming is one of the best places to launch home care in 2026. Here's your fast start plan. First, why Wyoming? Nearly 1 in 5 residents is 65 or older. With long distances, harsh winters, and limited facilities, in-home support keeps people safe at home, and that's your opportunity. 1. Pick your service model. Skilled home health, covering nursing, therapy, wound care, and meds. You'll need a home health agency license from Healthcare Licensing and Surveys, or HLS. 2. Non-medical personal care, like homemaker services, often through the Community Choices Waiver, or CCW. To bill Medicaid, meet program standards, and keep any required agency licensure current. Pro tip: start non-medical to build cash flow, then add skilled services later. Just keep separate policies, competencies, and QA tracking. 3. Business setup: form your LLC or corporation with the Wyoming Secretary of State and appoint a registered agent. 4. Get your free IRS EIN, register for sales and use tax for a $60 fee, set up unemployment insurance, and maintain workers' compensation through Wyoming's state fund. Also check local permits. For your home health license, submit the application with the $100 fee and prepare for the survey. 5. Have your ownership info, infection control, emergency plans, staffing credentials, QA program, and sample clinical records ready. Renew annually. 6. Medicaid HCBS. Enroll to serve CCW members for services like personal support, respite, and homemaker care. Maintain all required licensure, training, and documentation. 7. All staff complete I-9s, background checks, and TB screenings. Verify credentials and track orientation, in-services, and supervisory visits by service line. 8. Build rural care pathways with critical access hospitals, discharge planners, rural health clinics, and senior centers. Partner with VA facilities in Cheyenne, Sheridan, and their CBOCs. Clearly list towns you can staff in winter and show your participation in Medicaid HCBS and VA community care. For free help, the Wyoming SBDC network offers no-cost advising and lender-ready plans. Need a head start? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.